Making a choice between two or more options can be a difficult and overwhelming experience. Especially if the decision will affect you in the long term, you may wonder if you will make the right choice. And even smaller choices may leave you feeling anxious and doubtful. But you can make choices without regret if you evaluate your options and make your decision. Then, build confidence in yourself and accept the consequences of your choices. Step 1. Make sure you are calm. It's never a good idea to make a major decision when you are upset or stressed. Your emotions can cause you to make a choice that you regret. So take a moment to make sure that you are calm and making a logical, rational decision. For example, you shouldn't try to choose how to cut your hair when you just found out your partner is cheating on you. Take a few deep breaths and make sure that you are relaxed and calm when you make your decision. Ask yourself, am I calm enough to make a mature decision that isn't based on anger, hurt, jealousy, or anything like that? Step 2. Define your values. A good decision is usually one that aligns with your personal values. This is a decision made with integrity. If you are unsure of what your values are, take some time to work this out before you make a decision. Think back to the times when you felt happiest. What were you doing? Who were you with, or were you alone? What made you feel happy in that moment? Think about when you felt proud of yourself. Why were you proud? Did other people share in those feelings of pride? Who? Think about times you felt satisfied, content, and fulfilled. What need or desire was fulfilled? How and why did the experience give your life meaning? What were some of the other factors at play that gave you this feeling of satisfaction? Values may include faith, family, adventurousness, empathy, generosity, service, nature, achievement, and more. Once you have identified your values, ask yourself if your decisions align with your values. Would taking a new job in a foreign country violate your top value of spending time with family? Would skipping class support or violate your top values of accountability and achievement? Step 3. Find out as much as you can about the situation. Learning as much as you can about your current situation and looking at all the interrelated factors can help you make a decision. Gathering all the available information can help you eliminate as many unknowns as possible and make the best choice with the information you have. Think about the impact your choice will have. You may find yourself in complex situations in which your decision will have a far-reaching impact. So what? With each fact you uncover, ask yourself this question. What is important about that fact? What are the implications? For instance, if you determine that choosing to go to art school instead of business school will anger your father, ask yourself, so what? To determine the implications, maybe your father won't help you financially if you go to art school. So what? You don't have enough money to pay for school on your own. So what? You will need to come up with a plan to get student loans and a summer job to help pay for your education. And so on. Step 4. List your options. You can make choices without regret if you take the time to think about all of your options before deciding on the one that you think is right for you. Don't just think in terms of yes and no, or in terms of either or. Try to explore all of your possible options, even the less obvious ones, before making your choice. For example, you might think to yourself, I could skip all of class and go to the mall, or I could skip part of class and just grab lunch, or I can stay at school. If you can, write your options down so that you can actually see them next to each other and possibly come up with more. Think about the risks involved. Try to think of the risks involved with each choice. There is no way to truly know what the outcome will be when you make a choice, but thinking through each risk and its probability can help you determine whether or not you want to go through with something. I hope this video is going to help you to make more better choices. Don't forget to check other videos and check out the description for some motivational quotes. Goodbye.